Digital identity refers to information that uniquely identifies a person's online presence. This information is an individual's digital footprint, which can be active or passive. A passive digital footprint is created when data is collected without the individual knowing, whereas active digital footprints are created when personal data is released deliberately by the user for the purpose of sharing information about oneself by means of website or social media. Digital identity information can be acquired passively every time a website is visited. The computer's unique identification, its IP address, is stored along with such things as date, time, and web address, which create a passive digital footprint. Active digital footprints can be stored when a person logs into a site with a registered name to post or edit information on blogs or social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Shopping websites also collect information which could include credit card information and personal shopping history, like Amazon, Target, or the grocery store. Hi, I'm Scott Herring. It is my goal to maintain a digital footprint which is as small as possible. My real-world self consists of my friends, hobbies, and shopping locally. This is different from my digital identity, which consists of limited online shopping, like Amazon, and no social media presence. I do not have a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or other online social media accounts, with the exception of YouTube, which is used to turn in homework. My other online activities include using email and playing World of Warcraft, a massively multiplayer online role-playing game. A digital identity can enable people to more fully express a specific dimension in their identity. This can consist of special interests from politics to hobbies. Meetup.com is an excellent resource which helps find local people with similar interests and arrange meeting times and location. Google is my main source for finding information pertaining to topics of personal interest to me. The context of social media and other technologies that have given rise to having a digital identity can range from non-existent to complete immersion in the technological world. Technological advances in the speed and ease and use of the internet have given rise to many avenues to shape one's digital identity. Another technology that influences digital identity is the rise of the smartphone in today's society. It has given me access to information, news, location services, and it also serves as entertainment. This influences how I gain access to these things differently from the way it was done 20 years ago. Back then, newspaper, TV news shows, and paper maps did the job. Digital identity can be like a performance where the intent is to solicit a response. The performance is the dance between the poster and the responders to keep as many people interested as possible. This leads to posting for the sake of getting followers. The more followers one has, the better the performance. I foresee needing to perform well digitally when I start using LinkedIn to present myself to prospective employers. Knowing that a post is in the public eye can cause behavior to be more cautious or more extreme, depending upon one's personality. These are those who want attention, and they act differently on social media than they would in real-life situations. Once personal information is out on the internet, it is there forever. I choose to be very cautious about what information I reveal publicly. Followers and feedback generated by one's digital identity can give a person a sense of self-worth. This could lead to behavior that is not one's normal in order to gain a sense of self based on how others respond to your digital identity. In my online computer courses, I look forward to how others respond to posts I have made. A positive response makes me feel great. Today's technology makes it very simple to stay informed and connected. I use the internet and smartphone to stay in touch with current events and for entertainment. Since I do not participate in social media, I do not use it to define me as a person. I use my technology savvy to interact comfortably, but I exhibit caution while within the realm of my digital identity.